How you doing? You alright?
I'll get a single sprinkle thing.
Yep. Thank you. You're back. Anything else? Single bunny is it? That'll be £5 please, mate. Thank you very much. Oh, lovely. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Hi.
Can I have a single bubble gum, please?
I've got no bubble gum or lemon, darling. It's only Whippy on the machine.
Whipping, Alex. Do you want one with a flake? Yeah. So 2 with a flake.
Two of them with a flake, yeah? Who are you after? Lovely. There you go, mate. Lovely. £5 please, darling. Lovely. Thank you. Lovely. Thanks very much. That's the next one, yeah? You are, darling.
Hiya, can I just get a single cone chocolate sauce? Can I have it a bit smaller? There we go, that's fine. My little one's one came off, he's only 2.
Is
So.
it? Yeah.
Thank you.
It came off, did it?
Yeah,
How's
that's
that?
it. Yeah,
good.
perfect. Can I have chocolate sauce in it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And can I also get a single bunny ears?
Single bunny ears? I won't charge you for that, right?
Oh, thank you.
No problem, darling. Single bunny is £3 please, darling. Card, yeah? Lovely. Check them out, please, sweetie.
Oh, I've got to put the tenner back.
Oh, it's a card. Lovely. Thank you very much. Cheers, darling.
See you later.
Have a good day.
Thank you, mate.
Hi. With a flakes or not?
3 Coke.
I can't sell drinks here, darling. I'm not allowed to sell drinks. You've got to get them from inside.
Oh, okay.
Alright, sorry.
Can I have a Vimto Knickerbocker?
Yeah. Small one. Small, yeah.
And a single sprinkles one, please.
Yeah.
You haven't got lemon sherbet, have you?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, no, I have lemon sherbet.
Okay. Single lemon sherbet, yeah?
Yes, please.
Lovely. £6 please, darling.
Okay.
Thank you. Lovely. 6, yeah?
Yes.
Lovely. Thank you. All done? Thank you very much. Cheers, darling. Bye-bye. You alright?
One with the flake and chocolate sauce.
Yeah.
2 of those, please.
2.
Thank you. Can I just have a single one, plain, no flake or anything?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I have the lemon sherbet, this coffee?
Yeah. Lovely. 11.50 please, darling. Is that everything, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Lovely. Check the amount please, darling. 11.50. All done. Thank you. Have a good day, darling. Bye-bye. You alright?
Can I have 2 single Oreos?
Yep.
So, a simple plate with. Is that what's on it? I'm doing that. Lemon sherbet.
Yep.
Sorry, two reviews, too many orders.
So, yes, all right. So 2 of these and a lemon sherbet with flake, yeah? Yeah, stick it all in. Stick it all in. Thank you very much. Lovely. £7.50 please. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lovely. £2.50 back.
Thank you. We have some napkins there.
Yeah.
Just in case it goes to his head.
That's all right.
Hello,
Hiya.
can I just get one plain cone with no flake, please?
Yep.
No sauce, anything, just plain.
Yep.
Perfect, there you go, mate. Thank you.
£2 please. Lovely. Check the amount, mate, on there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Cheers. Thank you. You all right, mate?
The Dr. Pepper,
Yeah. Small or medium?
small, please.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Because I didn't have enough time to change it all. Anything else, mate?
Just that, thank you.
Lovely. £4 please. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cheers. You all right, mate?
Can of cherry cola, please,
I can't sell any drinks in here, mate.
All right,
You've got to get from the inside. Sorry about that. You all right, mate?
Oreo,
Small one or medium, mate?
small.
Yeah. Lovely. There you go, mate. Thank you.
Nice little pepper one of them.
Yeah, same size. Yeah. Sorry about this. It's so cold, it don't want to move, you know what I mean? Lovely. Anything else?
Yeah, and a twin bunny sherbet.
Yeah. What sherbet would you like?
What sherbets do you
I've got straw, raspberry, lemon or bubblegum.
lemon, please.
Yeah.
I love the tiny bits.
4.50, 9, £13. £13 please, darling. Anything else? Lovely. Thank you very much. You all right, mate? Sorry, mate? 2 cookie dough trays, yeah. Anything else, mate? Anything else?
Yes, please. Just a cone with a flake, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
Lovely. 15.50, please.
Do you prefer cash or card?
Oh, cash. Be nice. Thank you very much. Okay. Is that yours? Yeah. Lovely. Thank you. They're going to be about a couple of minutes each, so if you just want to stand to the side here, and then as soon as it's done, I'll give you. Yeah.
You will wait here, yeah.
No problem.
Have a single cone with the strawberry sherbet, please.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. And have you got the hot fudge cake with
Yeah.
ice cream?
Yep. You want one of that? So anything else, mate?
Is there trying to put some sprinkles on there? What sprinkles?
Yep. What we get on it? Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
8.50, please, mate. Yeah. 1 second, mate. Just lovely. Thank you very much. There's going to be about 4 minutes. Right, I've just got other ones to do. Yeah. Hello, darling. Any sauce? What would you like?
Can I have chocolate?
Chocolate sauce, yeah?
Chocolate, yeah? Would you like
There you go, mate. The other one's cooking. Alright? No problem. That's hot, so be careful, yeah? You on, mate? Hello. Anyone was serving?
Yeah,
How you doing?
I do not want to feature in your TikTok today.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
What do you want?
I want today the take card.
Yes.